everyone, Neha this side. Actually, I'm using those products over here, Natural by Nature, which is very effectively for the body and the health. And you should also try that. Your families, your parents, your kids, all should be try the natural products which is over here in Sarafa Bazaar, right? And it's named by the Daulat Ram Mukund Lal, right? So please, everybody, I would like to just request you once, please do over here a visit. And it's a very good products, completely healthy, completely pure, and by completely natural. So you should try it once, and you will definitely gonna love it. Thank you.
Thank you.